Hey friends, Scott Holmes here, MarineMax Greenville. Today I'm sitting in front of a 2025 Yamaha AR220. This boat is in the slate blue color, has the matching tandem axle painted black trailer with swing away tongue and spare tire. Walking around to the back of the boat, we have a nice extended swim platform with rear lounging area, 4-step boarding ladder, and a dedicated transom walk-through. Let's hop up inside the boat and get a better look. The AR220 has a spacious bow with wraparound seating, a dedicated anchor locker and front boarding ladder with entry boarding step, a center walk-through windshield with in-floor ski locker storage and 2 storage compartments underneath each helm. Nice wraparound seating in the back. In the helm has a wireless charger, Bluetooth stereo, a digital information screen. And of course, this boat comes with the water sports tower with built-in bimini and a factory Yamaha cover. Please come by and see it today at MarineMax of Greenville.